Eye bags? How to remove it? This video will show you the 10 ways to get rid of bags under your eyes.
If you're new here to this channel, and like learning new things, then hit the subscribe button down below, and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our future videos.
How you can help. The numerous products that are available on the market that promise to depuff and brighten your under eyes don't always deliver on their promises. Although consuming more water and using a cold compress will rapidly minimize eye bags, changing your lifestyle is the only method to permanently lessen their appearance. This is especially true if you inherit your eye bags and dark circles from your parents. Other typical reasons include allergies, eczema, persistent tiredness, coloration problems, using the sun, and aging. To find out how to permanently get rid of your under eye bags, keep reading. 1. Use tea bags. It's not simply for drinking tea. To help with bags and dark circles under your eyes, you can actually use caffeinated tea bags. Strong antioxidants found in the tea's caffeine may help your skin receive more blood flow. Additionally, it is claimed to block UV radiation and may slow down aging. Researchers have praised green tea in particular for its potential to have anti-inflammatory properties. How to do it? For 3 to 5 minutes, steep 2 tea bags. For 20 minutes, let the tea bags chill in the fridge. Apply the extra liquid that remains after squeezing it out to your under eye area. Tea bags should be left in for 15 to 30 minutes. 2. Apply an ice compress. Throw away those expensive creams. Making a cold compress from supplies you already own could provide relief from dark circles. For some momentary comfort, applying ice to the area can help the blood vessels constrict quickly. Even while you may buy a cold compress at the shop, making one at home can be just as effective. DIY alternatives include frozen teaspoon, crisp cucumber, damp washcloth, frozen vegetable pack. To prevent your skin from being too icy, wrap the compress in a soft cloth before applying it. Just a few minutes of applying it can see results. 3. Use a neti pot to clean up your sinuses. Some people firmly believe that using a neti pot would help you get rid of your dark circles and under eye bags. You put salt water, or regular saline solution, in a neti pot. To clear your sinuses of mucus and other particles, insert the spout into your nose. How to do it? A saltwater solution, 1/2 teaspoon salt to 1 cup water, should be added to your neti pot. Before using, let the water cool to body temperature after being heated to dissolve. It is most comfortable to be warm or lukewarm. Over the sink, cock your head to the side. The nostril that is now closest to the ceiling should receive the pot spout. As the fluid is carefully poured into the nostril, inhale through your lips. The opposite nostril should receive the solution's drainage. Continue by angling your head in the opposite direction. Use filtered, distilled, or other sterile water to rinse your pot after each use. Before storing, let the pot dry naturally. If you decide to try this approach at home, be sure to make your saltwater solution with distilled or sterile water. Use of boiling, safe temperature tap water is also possible. 4. Keep hydrated. Approximately 60% of your body weight is made up of water. As a result, it may not come as a surprise that dehydration can cause under eye bags. Increased water consumption should be helpful. How much is enough? For men, experts advise consuming approximately 13 cups of water daily, and for women, about 9 cups. Do not enjoy water? The good news is that your daily total for fluids includes all fluids. Water is still a calorie-efficient choice. Consider sparkling drinks, flavored waters, or even fruit-flavored water. Another excellent option is decaffeinated herbal tea, either hot or cold. 5. Use a steroid antihistamine. Under eye bags and dark circles can be brought on by allergies. Additionally, you can notice eye redness or watery, itchy eyes. Your immune system's reaction to something irritating it or allergens is what triggers this reaction. Ask your doctor. Consider taking over-the-counter, OTC, allergy drugs if you think your under eye bags may be caused by allergies. Additionally, it's a good idea to keep away from probable allergies whenever you can. Some personal care items, including soaps, cosmetics, and hair colors, may cause allergies. Consider maintaining a diary to observe what substances or other factors produce the most reaction if you're having problems determining the source. Discuss allergy testing with your doctor if this is a persistent issue. 6. Include retinol cream in your regimen. Even if you may have utilized creams in the past, focusing on particular ingredients is essential. Various skin conditions have been treated using retinol creams, including acne, psoriasis, aging, and specific cancers. This vitamin A-related component can be found as a cream, gel, or liquid. How might retinol work in reducing eye bags? This substance can help skin deficiencies of collagen when given topically. Different over-the-counter treatments may have lower amounts of retinol, but your dermatologist must write a prescription for higher creams. Normally, retinol is applied to the skin once a day, roughly 30 minutes after washing your face. If you are pregnant, avoid using retinol lotions and avoid taking extra vitamin A. 7. Apply whitening agents. Hydroquinone is a component found in skin lightening lotions. This component prevents the skin's melanin from being produced. Dark under eye circles or bags may appear less due to this. Your dermatologist can write you a prescription for hydroquinone. To have long-lasting results, you'll need to apply these items frequently. It's important to remember that when skin is exposed to sunshine, hydroquinone's beneficial benefits are reversed, thus you should only use at night. While utilizing skin whitening solutions, some persons additionally experience dryness, irritability, and other minor skin problems. Stop using it if you get a reaction. 8. Apply sunscreen daily. The following dermatological conditions can all be helped by shielding your skin from the sun's rays. Accelerated aging, skin tumors, discoloration. Wearing sunscreen could therefore lessen the appearance of dark circles and under eye bags. Dermatology advises sunscreen use for everyone. It's crucial to have broad-spectrum UVA and UVB protection. Choosing a water-resistant, SPF 30 or higher product is also recommended. 9. Ask your dermatologist about microneedling. Another name for microneedling is collagen induction therapy. Its supporters claim that it lessens wrinkles, scars, and even pigment-related problems like dark circles and under eye. Skin punctures are made during the operation using tiny needles. This induces a kind of controlled damage, which in turn rejuvenates the skin that is being treated. Not for individuals who seek immediate gratification, this technique. 6 sessions typically take place over the course of a month or so. In comparison to more common laser operations, microneedling is less expensive. 10. Don't wear makeup to bed. You might be able to prevent bags beneath your eyes by making improvements to your bedtime routine. Every night, wash your face and especially before going to bed. You shouldn't sleep in makeup for a number of reasons. First off, if you wear mascara or other eye makeup to bed, you could irritate them, feel ill from an allergy, get an infection that results in swelling, redness, or other symptoms. Some claim that forgetting to wash your face might lead to wrinkles or other skin problems. Just how? Your skin is exposed to free radicals when you go to bed wearing makeup. This could lead to oxidative stress, which could cause your skin to age faster than it should. Here's another ways to help lessen your eye bags. Keep your head elevated while sleeping. Get at least 8 hours of sleep if you can. Eat more meals high in collagen. Eat extra foods high in iron as well. Eat less salty meals. Drink less alcohol. Also give up smoking. Did you enjoy this video? I hope that these suggestions may make your problem easier for you. People employ a variety of techniques to get rid of or decrease the look of black circles under their eyes, both natural and ones that are prescribed by doctors. Even while not all of these remedies are long-lasting, they can all help lessen the visibility of dark circles with maintenance and regularity. That's it for today.
And that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.